Welcome back. You're watching ACIERO. Today I'm back again with how to grow your LinkedIn following. Today I'm going to take you through a tutorial where I'll show you how to grow your LinkedIn following, and I'm also going to show you why would you need to have LinkedIn followers, either on your personal profile or on your company profile. So today we are focusing on your personal profile because before people do business with you, they need to trust you. So how do you build that trust? First of all, you have to get people to your profile. How do you get people to your profile? First of all, you have to optimize your profile and also change the settings in your profile. There is one thing you can do to increase your following on your personal profile. So what you need to do is go into the settings of your profile and then change the settings to from connections or just whatever you had put there before, or the automatic settings to everyone to follow you, and then change your connect button to a follow button. So that will improve how people follow you. It will improve the following you, and also go into your bio and optimize your profile. Try to put job description. Be precise, don't be general, be precise on exactly what you do. So when people are searching something on LinkedIn, they come across your profile. If people are searching for jobs, imagine you're a marketing strategist and you want people to find you for the services you offer. Of course, if you don't put it in your bio, someone is looking for someone like that on LinkedIn, they will never come across your profile. They will just go to someone else. So you miss out on opportunities like this. So the other thing you should understand is try to use the options that LinkedIn has provided. LinkedIn has rolled out some features recently, and these features are very powerful. There is a new feature where you can provide the services you offer. I just rolled out, I think 2 weeks ago. I just saw it on my profile, and this was so exciting for me. So there you could see how you can optimize for that. So if someone is searching for services, they show up on your profile, so they can see that you offer those services, if you do offer those services, if you've listed the services. The other thing is feature some of your work and documents. If you've written articles, write articles with keywords and put relevant links in those articles that will help you rank in LinkedIn. So help you rank, not only rank, but help you grow your business. So most of you are like, yeah, why would I want LinkedIn? So LinkedIn is very powerful, especially if you're in a B2B business. So if you're in a B2B business, you should jump on this opportunity while it's still new, because this opportunity is now organic traffic. Later on, it's going to go away like so many other platforms. Now you can have many people follow you, you can grow a following now, but later on it's going to be a little bit difficult, and it's going to be very expensive to even get a follower on LinkedIn. So I hope these tips were helpful.